Senator Orji Kalu don't dismiss the talk where he say the plenty endorsement where they come for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu re-election bid for 2027 na sake of say people they fear strong opposition gag up. Say all this endorsement na sake of how President Tinubu don dey perform and the bold reforms when he don't carry out since he enter office. The former Senate Chief Whip yarn those one as in they follow the Senate to read people talk for National Assembly on Tuesday.
I don't think that a party like APC have anybody to fear about. We are a ruling party. We are passionate about Nigeria. We love Nigeria, and that is why most of us are building industries all over Nigeria, so Nigerian people can have jobs, even not government. So there's nothing like fear. The oppositions are there. If the opposition don't criticize us for the endorsement, who would they criticize? It's their job to criticize, but it's our job to do our job. And we are doing our job perfectly very well.
Kalu come say chook mouth on top the economy as he agree say Nigeria people they face serious hardship now, but he come here and say na sacrifice wey go help Nigeria economy last well for the long run. A constant talk say even though Tinubu policies hard small for now, them don already they affect Nigeria economy for better, and very soon Nigeria people go begin see better results where them fit feel for their lives.
There are only some few things that are not happening. The indices of Mr. President's policy might not be walking down the line. People are still suffering. Yes, I agree that. But it started trickling in on the macro level. That's on the upper level, not on the lower level. So I'm hoping that in the next 2-3 years, the policies of Mr. President will trickle down and Nigerians will appreciate what Mr. President is doing. Since 1960, I'm not a sycophant. This is first president. You know, I have tank farms. This is first president that stopped subsidy. This is first president they matched the $2. That is where we are suffering. Because Nigerians are not used to working hard. We are used to getting cheap money.
Kalu end the talk with call for unity and sincerity among all the politicians for Nigeria and also beg the leaders say make them put Nigeria development first before any party palaver or personal interest. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojisoli, TMC News.